Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion AI outputs with version control workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Notion AI outputs with version control, begin by creating a dedicated folder on your computer. Label this folder clearly to ensure easy identification later. Next, open Notion and locate the page containing the AI outputs you wish to backup. Highlight the text or content you want to save. Copy the selected content using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C for Mac users. Return to the dedicated folder you created earlier. Open a text editor, such as Notepad or TextEdit. Paste the copied content into the text editor using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Save the file with a descriptive name that reflects the content or date. Next, implement a version control system. Consider using Git, which is a popular version control tool. If you haven't already, install Git on your computer. Once installed, navigate to your dedicated folder in the command line or terminal. Initialize a new Git repository by entering the Now, add the files you wish to track with the command git add. Commit the files to the repository by typing git commit m initial backup. Each time you make changes to your Notion outputs and back them up, repeat the copying process. After pasting and saving, return to the command line. Add the updated file to the version control using git add. Then commit the changes with a descriptive message, such as git commit m updated backup on date. To view your backup history, use the command git log. This logs all previous commits, allowing you to revert to earlier versions if necessary. Consider remote backup solutions for added security. Platforms like GitHub or Bitbucket can host your repository online. Create a free account on one of these platforms if you don't have one. Follow the platform's instructions to create a new repository. Link your local repository to the online version with the command git remote add origin repository URL. To push your backups to the cloud, use git push origin main. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.